Today I'm going to be showing you a demonstration of two lasers I built. One's in a project box and it's running about 400 milliamp, and the other one's in a Dorsey Junior and that's running about 140 milliamp. About 15 feet away we got a match set up in a clothespin. I'm going to zoom in on that and we'll get that focused in and we'll light it on fire. And there you go. One down, and we'll get a couple other demonstrations. Okay, all I did is put a balloon in there. I'll back out, let you see the same distance. Little black mark on the balloon to pop it and get it focused in. There you go. Okay, still with the 400 milliamp laser. Going to do a close-up shot here. Okay, Dorsey Junior. Alright, here's a match with the Dorsey Junior. There you go. A little shaky, but if I'm steadier, lights right up. Has nothing to do with the laser, it's just me, I'm a little shaky. Here's the big one. Too shaky. Do it again. There you go. Big one again. Dorsey Junior. Okay, we're gonna burn a piece of electrical tape, cut it in half. The big one again. And there. Okay, Dorsey Jr., 6.5, 7 feet away. Gonna light that match. And that's it. I'm running out of tape.